Today I'm going to show you guys how to record your performances from the grid view into the tracks view in Logic Pro X. So I'm going to start by opening up Logic. I'm going to go new from template. And now here I'm just going to use one of these starter grids for this demonstration. Let's go ahead and check out this chill hip hop masher. So once we've recorded all our clips into the grid view, like you can see here, we can either trigger them individually with all the different play buttons here, or we can trigger a whole vertical row with this arrow at the bottom here. And then spacebar to stop. Now, if we want to record this performance into the tracks view, this is how you do it. Now, to show both the tracks view and the grid view, we can go Option B. Or alternatively, you can use the button up here. So now we see our tracks view here. If we want to record in the tracks view, what we need to do is enable performance recording. So click on this button right here. And now when we hit record, it's going to record everything into the tracks view. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. So now we have a performance recorded into the tracks view. Now, in order to play back what we just recorded, I'll take this record enable off. And you notice here, these little arrows. So these determine whether or not your performance is going to be playing back from the grid view or the tracks view. So if you click this little arrow at the top here, now you see all of these are no longer gray. And now if I press play, you'll hear them. Now, if you want to add some more parts from the grid view again, you can individually enable them. So for example, this effects one, I can click this little arrow here, and now I'm able to trigger these effects at the same time as my playback here. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to go grab your free Logic Pro X hotkey cheat sheet by following the link in the description below.